Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do a 3-minute messy bun hairstyle on medium length hair. To start, I'm going to add a little bit of back combing to the crown. You can skip this step if you don't like back combing. Then just flip the sections back over and gently smooth the very top layer with the edge of your comb. Divide the hair at the nape of the neck into 3 equal sections and pop each one of these into a low ponytail. Add some texture powder all over the ponytails. I'll pop the products I use in the description below. Starting with the middle ponytail, divide this in half so you've got a top and bottom section. Push these together towards the elastic band and secure with another elastic band over the top. Then repeat on the right side, so split it in half, push those sections towards each other and secure them with another elastic band. Then do the same steps on the left hand ponytail. Right, I'm going to start in the middle and I'm going to grab sections of that little bun and start pulling them in opposite directions. Once you're happy with how it looks, just secure it to the head with a few bobby pins. The more you pinch and pull, the better this style will look. And then we're going to do the same on the right hand side, so grab opposite sides of that little bun, pull them in opposite directions and secure with a few pins. Then just repeat the same steps on that last little bun. Now you can leave the curls hanging down, or if they're a bit long, just pop a bobby pin on the end and slip them into the bun. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.